Most business owners have no idea that the boring rent, supplier, and contract payments they make every single month could actually be earning them money in credit card rewards. The tool that makes this possible costs nothing to start, and the math only takes about 5 minutes to understand. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in today's video, we're getting into the Melio credit card trick, how to pay your vendors with a credit card and earn rewards on expenses you were going to pay anyways. This is one of those tools that looks like a simple bill pay platform on the surface, but it actually has a specific strategy inside it that smart small business owners are using to put real money back in their pocket every year. So by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how the trick works, when it makes sense and when it doesn't, and one specific promotion running right now that makes the math even better if you have the right card. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start with the basics. Melio is a business bill pay platform used by over 600,000 businesses in the US. It lets you pay any vendor using a bank transfer, credit card, or paper check, regardless of how that vendor prefers to receive payment. If your vendor only accepts checks, you pay Melio by credit card, and Melio mails them a physical check. If they want ACH, same thing. You control how you pay. You control how they receive. Melio handles the conversion in the middle, and the vendor never has to sign up for anything or change anything on their end. On top of that, Melio syncs both ways with QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, Xero, and FreshBooks. So every time payment flows back into your accounting software automatically. For anyone managing vendor payments and bookkeeping in two separate places, this integration alone saves real time. Here's the actual mechanism, and once you understand it, everything's going to click into place. So when you add a credit card as your payment method inside Melio, Melio charges your card and then sends the payment to your vendor in whatever format that they prefer. Your credit card company sees a transaction and rewards you with points, miles, or cash back, exactly like any other purchase. To the vendor, it looks like a normal ACH deposit or a paper check showing up in the mail. They don't have to change anything. They never even know how you paid. Melio charges a 2.9% fee on credit card payments, and that's the cost of using this method. ACH bank transfers are free on most plan tiers, $5 per month free on the Go plan, and 50 cents per transfer after that. So the credit card path costs 2.9%, and the entire question becomes whether the rewards you earn on your card are worth more than that fee. For most standard cashback cards earning 1 or 2%, the math doesn't always favor you. You'd be paying 2.9% in fees to earn 1 to 2% back, which is a clear net loss. But here's where the strategy gets interesting. If you're working towards a credit card sign-up bonus that requires a specific spend in the first 3 months, Melio Payments counts towards that threshold. A sign-up bonus worth $500 or $1,000 in travel or cash back on a card requiring $5,000 in spend in 90 days is way more valuable per dollar than the ongoing earn rate. Running your vendor payments through Melio during that bonus window makes the 2.9% fee a small cost relative to the much larger bonus that you're capturing. In August 2025, Melio partnered with Mastercard to offer eligible business card holders up to $100 in automatic credit fees when paying bills through Melio. So if you have a World Mastercard for Business, a World Elite Mastercard for Business, or a World Legend Business Mastercard, the credits apply automatically. No promo codes or redemption process. The credits just show up on your payment receipts. The promotion runs from August 2025 through July 2027. If you're paying significant vendor expenses through Melio with an eligible Mastercard, the first $100 in fees is completely covered. On a $3,450 transaction, the 2.9% fee would be exactly $100, and the entire fee gets offset. For anyone with one of those Mastercards, that promotion alone can turn an early Melio experience into a net positive even before the underlying card rewards. There's a second advantage to paying by credit card that has nothing to do with rewards, and a lot of people can miss this. When you pay a vendor by card through Melio, you're extending your payment timeline. The vendor gets paid immediately, but because you don't pay off your card until the statement closes 30 plus days later, you've held onto that cash for an extra month. For businesses managing tight working capital, that's a really meaningful runway. Vendor paid on time, relationship intact, cash stays in your account longer. And this is huge for a business with lumpy revenue. A month where a large vendor payment is due but your receivables are slow becomes way more manageable when you can pay by card and buy yourself another billing cycle before the cash actually leaves your account. Now let's go ahead and dive into the pros and cons. So the biggest advantage of using Melio's credit card payment option is that it turns unavoidable business expenses into a rewards vehicle. Rent, supplier payments, contractor invoices, all the stuff you're already paying for can now earn points or help you hit a sign-up bonus threshold. The cash flow extension is a real secondary benefit as well. And the QuickBooks integration means none of this creates extra accounting work for you. The honest downside is the 2.9% fee on every card payment. For ongoing rewards earning on cards that pay 1 to 2% cash back, the math is negative unless you're hitting a higher reward category or working toward a sign-up bonus. But run the numbers for your specific specific card before you route regular payments through credit. ACH transfers through Melio are free, and that's the better default for routine payments. Okay, now if you want to go ahead and get started with Melio, if you use our link, you actually can automatically get $50 cash back, which is really nice. Okay, so all you have to do is go ahead and click the link below in the description. Go ahead and click get $50 cash back, and then you can go ahead and get signed up. In terms of pricing, so they do have a free plan. So the free plan is free forever. It is limited to one user. You get 5 free ACH a month. You can pay by ACH, wire, or check, set auto pay, pay any bill by card, pay internationally, and so much more. Then they have the core plan, which is $25 per month, and then plus $10 per month per additional user. You get 20 free ACH per month. Again, everything that's in the Go plan, but QuickBooks Online Sync, Zero Sync, batch payments, W-9 collection, and so much more. Then they also have the Boost plan, which is $55 per month. You get 50 free ACH a month. You get everything in the core plan, but you also get advanced user roles, apply vendor credits, and so much more. Okay, then they have the unlimited plan. This is $80 per month, and you get unlimited users. So you get unlimited free ACH a month. You get everything in the Boost plan, but you also get unlimited user seats, dedicated account manager, white glove onboarding, and more. So again, depending on where you're at is which plan you'll need, but you can always start with the free plan just to kind of click around and see what you actually need. And then when you need to increase, you can increase from there. Now, should you actually use this strategy? A very real question. So the credit card reward strategy through Melio makes sense in only these 3 specific situations. First, when you're working toward a credit card sign-up bonus and you need to hit a spending threshold fast. Melio vendor payments count and can make a serious dent. Second, when you have a premium travel or rewards card earning 3% or more in relevant categories. The math can flip positive when the rewards rate is high enough. Third, when you have an eligible Mastercard and the fee credit promotion offsets your first $100 in fees automatically. For routine vendor payments outside those 3 scenarios, the free ACH option is going to be the best default. If you want to check out Melio, again, we do have a link down in the description below, and you can get an extra $50 bonus when you sign up. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. The smartest business owners I know treat every expense as an opportunity, not just a cost. Melio is one of the few tools that actually lets you do that with vendor payments that previously had zero rewards potential at all. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to breaking down software tools in a simple way so you can find the right ones for your business and stop paying for tools that don't actually deliver. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.